Good morning, sir. The topic that I will tackle for today is all about motivation in adult learning, intrinsic versus extrinsic. So when it comes to introduction, adult learners have different reasons for studying. Some are driven by personal interest and others are motivated by reward or requirements. Understanding these two types of motivation help teachers support adult learners better. Objectives: define intrinsic and extrinsic motivation and explain the rules in adult learning. Identify example of intrinsic and extrinsic motivation in real-life learning situations. Number 3, apply strategies to enhance both intrinsic and extrinsic motivation for adult learners. Motivational is the internal and external drive that pushes adults to start, continue, and finish learning. Thus, in adult education, motivation is very important because adult is often balanced learning with work, family, and responsibilities. So, the motivational po of internal and external na persa o nagtutulak sa mga adult learners simulan, ipagpatuloy at tapusin ang kanilang pag-aaral sa adult education. And importante ang motivation kasi madalas ang adults ay may iba't ibang responsibilidad, katulad po ng pamilya, trabaho, mga gawain or ano paman po, na kaya kailangan po ng mga adults na ng inspirasyon para po sa pag-aaral. Sa intrinsic motivation definition po, it comes from po within the learner. Adults study because they want to learn or because they enjoy the process. For example po, studying because they love learning new skills, reading because they are curious, learning a language because they are enjoy the challenge, taking a course because it feels meaningful and fulfilling. So, ibig sabihin po, mas nag-study po sila kasi gusto po nilang makapag ng new skills para po malaman nila or para madami po silang matutunan. And sa extrinsic motivation definition naman po, example, studying to get a promotion, completing training because it is required, learning to earn a certificate, doing an assignment to avoid penalties. Dito naman po, kinokompleto lang po nila yung, for example, kung nagbibigay po kayo yung mga professor ng activities, assignment, ginagawa na lang po nila kasi nga po it is required. And dito naman po, learning to earn a certificate and doing assignment para po makaiwas sa penalties, ganyan po. And why both motivation matter? Both intrinsic and extrinsic motivation are important in adult learning. Intrinsic help adults enjoy learning and stay motivated even without reward. Intrinsic pushes adults to complete required tasks and meet goals. A good learning environment encourages both for better outcome. So dito naman po, I have to example na bakit mahalaga ang dalawang uri ng motivation. Parehong importante ang intrinsic at extrinsic motivation sa adult learning po because una, ang intrinsic motivation ay nakakatulong sa adults na mag-enjoy sa pag-aaral at manatiling motivated kahit walang reward. Gaya nga po ng sabi ko kanina, nag-aaral po sila kasi gusto nila yung ginagawa nila. Dito naman po sa pangalawa, ang extrinsic motivation naman ay nagtutulak sa adults na tapusin ang required task at maabot ang goals, and ang magandang learning environment ay dapat nagbibigay po ng suporta sa parehong motivation para mas maganda po ang pag-aaral and ang resulta. And for conclusion, intrinsic and extrinsic motivation both play important role in adult learning. When teachers understand what drives learners, they can create lessons that inspire and engage and support adult success. Thank you so much po.